Hello, students. Good morning, all of you. To discuss practices of agriculture, agriculture practices. But today I teach different topics: protection from pest and disease. Protection from pest and disease. Today part is 9. Pests are organisms that attack and damage crops. Pests are organisms that attacks and damage crops. They may be rodents, insects, and many more. These pests can be controlled by pesticides. Pesticides kill the pests and their eggs without damaging the crops. These include rodenticides, kills rodents, rodenticides, and insecticides. They must be sprayed manually by hand operated machines or low flying aircraft if fields are large. Some common insecticides are BHC, commonly called gamma oxine, melthon, and distorn, locust, weevil, termites is a type of insects. Crops can be protected from stray animals by putting fence all around the field. Birds can be kept away from the field by the help of a scarecrow. Plants are also damaged by disease caused by certain pathogens like bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This disease spread from one plant to another plant through air, soil, and insects. Sometimes this spreading of disease because so drastic that a huge vegetation commonly gets damaged. Some plant disease are rust and some of wheat, blight of potato. This is a type of disease. To discuss different types of different topics. Harvest festival. Harvest time is the happiest time. Harvest time is the happiest time for the farmers and their families. The sight of golden field of standing crop loaded with grains fills the hearts of farmers with joy and a sense of prosperity. The farmers sing traditional song to express their joy and pleasure for greeting the product of their hard work and labor. Special festivals associated with the harvest season are Pongal, Vaisakhi, Holi, Diwali, Navanya, and Bihu is a type of harvest festival. So this festival is harvest time celebrating but different agriculture practices. Storage. Discuss storage. Proper storage of food grains is necessary to get regular supply of food products throughout the years, as proper storage protects the food grains and other agricultural products from pests, rodents, and other microbes. Due to improper storage, more than 10% of crop products is spoiled in India. And to discuss other topics, increasing crop yield. Thank you.